Hi everybody, welcome back to the Sena channel. Today we're going to do an unboxing of an open face motorcycle helmet from Sena called the Surge. Now the Surge is a DOT certified motorcycle open face helmet with integrated speakers, microphone, and communication system. And now we're going to unbox this baby and see what we get. All right, let's get into everything that came in this box with the Surge new helmet. First of all, you get the helmet, obviously with the communication system integrated into it. Integrated microphone and speakers are virtually undetectable if you look underneath this thing. Very sleek, very cool. You got the snap-on visor in the package here. Slides out. This is a very classic motorcycling style. Inside this package, you have a couple ear pods. These are the little ear cups. You have a single charging cable, making it super simple to keep things charged up. And your quick start guide, like we always say, doesn't take a lot to learn how to use these products. The quick start page is probably all you're gonna need. All right, that wraps up the unboxing of the very cool Surge helmet from Sena. You can follow along here for more product info. Go to Sena.com to find out more product information about this product and other motorcycle helmets. And you can follow us on social media for the latest updates.
Connected.